Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great. Moto has been so consistent with their phone launch, especially on the G series. Recently they added one more new member to the family, which is Moto G32. In this video, let's see unboxing and quick impression of Moto G32. As usual, let's not waste the time, we'll directly jump into the video. First, let's unbox the phone. This is the box of Moto G32. On the front, you can see the Moto logo and model name Moto G32. On the back, you can see the picture of the phone and features are mentioned. Let's cut the seal and open the box. Let's take out the phone and remove the screen sticker. The case comes pre-installed. Let's turn on the phone. Bottom there is a small box. Inside you'll get user manual, warranty card, SIM ejector tool. Next on the bottom there is one 33 watts charging brick and one Type-C charging cable. First let's talk about the design. The phone comes with full plastic body design. Both the back panel and the side frames are made up of plastic. The phone weighs overall 184 gram and 8.49 mm thickness. The back looks so plain with matte finish and it's a fingerprint magnet. It easily attracts smudges. And the phone comes on two color variant. The one we have is mineral grey and one more variant is satin silver. Also the phone comes with IP52 water and dust resistance. When it comes to one-hand usage, since it's a plastic body, the phone doesn't feel heavy on the hand. We didn't face any issue on the one-hand usage. Next let's talk about the display. The phone comes with 6.5 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Either we can choose 60 or 90. Also we have adaptive refresh rate option. When it's come to protection, the phone have Panda glass protection and the peak brightness goes up to 600 nits. Both on the indoor and outdoor usage, the screen is clear and visible, but it is very hard to see on the direct sunlight. Overall, when we talk about the display, it's a decent display and the media consumption experience was good. When it comes to bezels, both top and bottom bezels are really big, but the side bezels are thin. Next, let's talk about ports and button. On the left, we have a SIM tray with dual SIM plus one SD card support. On the bottom, we have a 3.5mm audio jack, mic, Type-C port and one speaker grill. When we talk about the speakers, the phone have dual stereo speakers with the Dolby Atmos support. On the right, we have a volume rocker key and power button. And finally, on the top, we have a secondary noise cancellation mic. When it comes to security, the phone have fingerprint sensor, which is also integrated with power button. Also, we have a face unlock option. Both are fast and accurate. Next, when it comes to software, the phone runs on Android 12. Almost there is no bloatware on the device and you'll get stock Android experience. The last security patch update received was on June, and the brand promises assured Android 13 update and 3 years of security update. Next, when it comes to camera, we have a 16 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.4. The selfie camera output is decent. You can see few samples. Next, when it comes to video, on front you can record 1080p at 30 frames per second. Next, on rear we have a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide with 118-degree field of view, and finally 2 megapixel macro sensor. Next, when it comes to video, both on main camera and ultra wide camera, you can record 1080p at 30 frames per second. On macro camera, you can record max 720p at 30 frames per second. Overall, when we talk about the camera quality is decent for the budget. Next, when it comes to battery and charging, the phone comes with 5000 mAh battery. Also, you'll get 33 watts fast charging adapter on the box. It's good to see that phone on this budget range comes with 33 watts fast charging adapter on the box. During our testing, on a normal usage, we got almost 1 day of battery life. Next, let's talk about the processor. The phone comes with Snapdragon 680 with Adreno 610 GPU. It's not a new processor. We usually see this on the phones from the budget range of 13 to 15,000. It's a decent processor which is capable of handling both heavy tasks and some gaming. But if you are someone who is looking phone specifically for gaming, then this won't work out for you. Overall, to talk about the processor, it's a decent processor that usually comes on phones in this budget segment. Next, when it comes to RAM and storage, the phone comes with 4GB LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB internal storage. You can extend the storage with SD card, max up to 1TB. Also, you'll get extended RAM option. You can extend up to 1GB. Next, when it comes to price, we are making this video before launch, so we didn't know the price yet. Once we receive the price detail, we'll update the same in description. Overall, to conclude it, the phone have decent display, good battery life, good speaker, decent processor and decent camera. Also, you'll get stock Android experience. Compared to Moto G31, Moto G32 has brought lots of improvements. That's it for today. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.